New FBI data shows. American lost over $20 billion to cryptocurrency and other online scams in 2025. A 26% increase year-over-year. The majority of those losses came from investment scams. This isn't just a story about crypto. It's a story about greed, power, manipulation, and how one young billionaire convinced the world he was a hero. Right before becoming the center of one of the biggest financial collapses ever seen. Sam Bankman-Fried was born in California in 1992. Unlike many billionaires, he didn't grow up poor. His parents were respected law professors. From a young age, Sam was obsessed with math, probability, and solving complex puzzles. He studied physics at the prestigious Massachusetts Institute of Technology. But Sam wasn't dreaming about becoming famous. He wanted to become rich through numbers. Very rich. At MIT, he became interested in something called effective altruism. The idea that people should earn huge amounts of money and later donate it to help humanity. That idea became the foundation of his public image. The billionaire genius trying to save the world. After university, Sam joined a trading company called Jane Street. There, he learned how Wall Street works. High-speed trading, arbitrage, risk management, making money from tiny price differences. But traditional finance bored him. Then he discovered Bitcoin. At the time, crypto prices were different across countries. In some Asian markets, Bitcoin sold for much higher prices than in America. Sam saw opportunity. He started buying Bitcoin cheaply in one country and selling it for more in another. The profits were insane. Soon, he launched a trading company called Alameda Research in 2017. Within months, reports claimed the company was making massive daily profits. This was the beginning of the empire. In 2019, Sam founded FTX. FTX wasn't just another crypto exchange. It became a giant casino for digital money. Crypto trading, futures, leverage, high-risk bets. Sam was different from typical billionaires. He wore shorts and messy t-shirts. He drove a Toyota Corolla. He played video games during interviews. This strange image made people trust him even more. He looked like a genius, a nerd, a humble billionaire. Meanwhile, FTX exploded in size. Celebrities promoted the platform. Sports stadiums carried the FTX name. Big investors poured billions into the company. By 2022, FTX was valued at around $32 billion. Sam became one of the world's youngest billionaire. The media called him the king of crypto. During the crypto crash of 2022, many companies were collapsing. But Sam appeared to be the savior. He gave rescue money to struggling crypto firms. He spoke in Congress. He donated millions to politicians. He promised to make crypto safer. People believed he was the responsible adult in crypto. But behind the scenes, something dangerous was happening. According to prosecutors and investigators, FTX and Alameda Research were deeply connected. Being used for risky trading, loans, investments, luxury spending, political donations. The system only worked as long as people kept trusting FTX. But in November 2022, everything collapsed. A leaked report exposed financial weaknesses tied to Alameda and FTX's token, FTT. Panic spread instantly. Customers rushed to withdraw billions. FTX couldn't survive the bank run. Within days, the empire collapsed. Billions disappeared. Investors lost fortunes. The collapse shocked the world. People compared it to some of the biggest financial frauds in history. Sam resigned as CEO. Soon after, he was arrested in the Bahamas and extradited to the United States. At trial, prosecutors argued that he secretly misused customer funds for years. Former close friends and employees testified against him. In 2023, Sam Bankman-Fried was convicted on fraud and conspiracy charges. Later, he was sentenced to 25 years in prison. The crypto king had fallen. Even today, the story still fascinates people. How did a young man go from math student to billionaire genius to one of the biggest disgraced figures in finance? Some still believe he was a criminal mastermind. Others think he was an overconfident genius who lost control of his empire. But one thing is certain. The rise of FTX changed crypto forever. It destroyed billions of dollars, shattered trust in crypto exchanges, and became a warning about greed, power, and blind faith in internet billionaires.